So not 500, not 1000, but you can grab a 1500 rupee discount straight up on the Qubo Pro 3K Starvis-2 backdash camera. Yes, this is due to the exclusive collaboration between Gizmo Beep and Dashcam Insider.in website. Coming in at a price of about 12,999, that's 13,000 on a regular day. You can grab a 1500 rupee discount and get it at about 11,500 only. And wait, that's just not it. You can grab the dashcam along with the hardwire kit combo specifically made to those who want some parking monitoring out of the dashcam. Now the hardwire kit combo normally trends at 15,000 rupees, but with this extra 1500 rupee discount you can get it close to 13,500 rupees only. So no need to wait for the sale to start on Amazon, because you can go ahead and grab this biggest offer discount deal on the Qubo Pro 3K right now. To those of you who don't know about this camera, this offers you a 1944p resolution from the front, gets a Starvis-2 IMX675 sensor and shoots in a 4:3 aspect ratio. The rear camera on the other hand shoots a full HD 1080p resolution. Additionally, this camera also gets a 3.2-inch LCD display right at the back, which you can use to control various different settings of this camera. This camera also gets a built-in GPS so that it can record your journeys and record the speed of the car while you're taking it out on a drive. This camera also gets a built-in mic, which means you can record the audio at your own will. And the best thing about this camera is that this doesn't get a battery but rather gets a super capacitor inside. So many of you prefer cameras which have super capacitors inside because in theory these are better at handling the high heat conditions inside the cabin, especially when you parked your car in direct sunlight. So the Qubo Pro 3K coming in with the super capacitor makes it heat resistant to a large extent, and you can be assured that your camera and your car is totally safe. One more awesome thing about this camera, which probably no other camera offers in that price range, is that this gets a 1TB SD card support. So considering you buy a 1TB SD card, you will get weeks and weeks worth of footage without the loop recording having to take effect. So higher storage means more videos and a lot more recordings even on your longest of the drives. Now setting all of these aspects aside, this dash camera supports connection with the Qubo app, which is available on both Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So this app is a very professional, very neatly designed and a very easy to understand app. It gets a real-time live view on its screen, it gets in-app settings, it gets the file section or the album section where you can access the previous recordings. Basically whatever you want, the Qubo app is simply the perfect choice within this price range. And the fact that this camera is now available with a combo of a hardwire kit. Now this is definitely useful to those cars who are looking to get some parking monitoring, because we really don't know when we are parking our cars outside who's gonna come and bump into a car, or maybe some kids playing around or some animals jumping on the car. You need to make sure that your car is constantly monitored, and for that particular reason Dashcam Insider.in is now providing you a combo kit of the dash camera along with the hardware kit. And as told previously, this combo kit normally trends at 15,000 rupees, but with the exclusive collaboration between Gizmo Beep and the Dashcam Insider.in website, you get a 1500 rupee discount on this combo offer. So you can get this at 13,500 for both the dash cam along with the hardware kit. Best deal ever, I feel. 13,500 with the hardware kit. You should definitely go ahead and grab this right now. So in order to grab these discounts, either just the dash cam or the dash cam and the hardware kit combo, use the purchase links that have been given in the description below. Go ahead, add the product to the cart and apply the coupon code GizmoBeep to get 1500 rupee discount. So make the most use out of this offer and grab these dash cams, these dash cam combos before somebody else does. If you do have any doubts or queries regarding this particular camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in any way, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who are looking to buy the Qubo Pro 3K but we're just waiting for the sale to happen, which they don't have to anymore. See you in the next one.